Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve in the Hindi newspaper Sudoku Basalan, February 3rd, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. 6th grade. We have 617. So 617 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 5. 7th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, only 1 numbers are remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 3. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grade, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 2nd grade, column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 3rd grade, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 4, 8. Column E, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second grid, only one numbers are remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9. 10th row, we have 219. So 219 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirm here. 10th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th grade, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. 8th row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. 10th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. 9th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.